Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather split bench seats, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.